Join us for a tour of the JW Marriott Marco Island Beach Resort. Located directly on the shores of the Gulf of Mexico in Marco Island, Florida, this 726-room property was originally constructed in 1971 and underwent a $300 million renovation in 2017. Amenities include 3 resort pools, a beach club with water sports activities, a fully equipped fitness center and a 12,000 square foot indoor family entertainment venue. We've stayed at a number of beachfront resorts throughout Florida and feel that this property is one of the best. Watch this entire video to find out why. While there are so many features that we like about this hotel, one of the things we enjoy most is that it has a great location right on the beach. As you can see, the sunsets are pretty amazing. During our most recent stay in mid-September 2023, we were having dinner right on the sand during this sunset. It was pretty incredible. We were given a room on the 4th floor overlooking the family-friendly tiki pool as well as the beach. The 3 outdoor pools are exactly what you would expect for a resort of this caliber. The adults-only rooftop pool in the Lanai Tower has a spectacular view of the beach. Just steps from the pool areas is an amazing white sandy beach. The JW Marriott provides lounge chairs and umbrellas with day beds available for rent. Water sports including jet skiing, parasailing, and paddleboarding is also available for an additional fee. After sunset, we were able to watch 2 dolphins playing in the water. And to cap off a great evening, we watched a fire twirler show right on the beach. Another great feature of the JW Marriott is 10K Alley, which is a family-friendly entertainment venue. 10K Alley is essentially a smaller version of Dave & Buster's, right down to the arcade games, bowling alley and miniature golf course. There's even a bar and restaurant. Nightly hotel rates at the JW Marriott Marco Island Beach Resort vary based on the time of year, but typically range from around $400 per night to more than $1,000 per night. We paid $500 per night during our most recent stay in September 2023. In addition to the nightly rates, the hotel charges a resort fee of $45 per night, along with a self-parking charge of $35 per night. If you're thinking about staying at the JW Marriott Marco Island Beach Resort or any other Marriott property, we would appreciate if you can use our links when making a reservation. Endless Summer is an affiliate with Marriott and receives a small commission for each stay that was referred by our website.